Welcome back to Traveling Cogbills. Today we're in Haines, Alaska, the Valley of the Eagles, known for its incredible gathering of bald eagles. And then we're hopping on a ferry to Skagway to continue the journey. But first, let's roll the intro.
Traveling cogbills, making memories out on the road. Dusty highways where stories explode. Kenny and Renee, the duo on fire, chasing horizons, dreams climbing higher. Traveling cogbills got wheels to spin, every corner of the world to begin. New skies, new eyes, and hearts to mend. This road, this ride, it never ends.
Well, here we are, traveling cogbills again. We're on the Alcan Highway, coming out of Alaska now. And and here's the border. We're crossing the border today into Canada. So right here's the border mark. So
international border.
Yeah. So I can stand in the U.S. on this side. I can leave Renee in Canada.
Canada?
Yeah, I can leave her there.
Leave me here?
One way or the other, right? So, anyways, here's your marker. It's pretty cool.
I can be in both at the same time, right here.
Right there, huh?
There I am. U.S., Canada. U.S., Canada.
So, anyways, we're traveling today. We're going to drive down to Haines and then take a ferry to Skagway. There you go. And then head on out after that. A couple days, probably another week, and head for Washington.
Yep.
Anyways, talk to you later.
Bye.
This border is located approximately 110 miles south of Haines Junction, Yukon. The border features a cleared 20-foot cut line, with aluminum bronze monuments set in concrete. The border is located in mountainous region where the coastal rainforest meets alpine tundra. You see how visible the cut line is through the trees. Well, let's get moving.
So from here we take off and we got to drive, they call it Destruction Bay.
Yeah.
So it's supposed to be a pretty rough part of the road here for about 130 miles or something. So anyways, we'll see how it goes today on the road. It's slow going, so it's going to take most of the day to get part of that. It's going to make it a long day. Yeah. Anyways, we'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay. So we're here in Haines, Alaska. Made it here yesterday, but been here all night. Nice little town. And so today we're going to get on the ferry and go to Skagway. It's just like a 45-minute ride on a ferry. So we'll take you along, show you the ride on the ferry, right?
That's right. Get a ride on the ferry. It's always a good ride.
So yeah, it's always fun. So there we go. So we're gonna get going, get in line at the ferry. So
Yep.
Talk to you a little bit.
Bye.
Bye.
Oceanside RV Park, you treated us kind, but Skagway's calling, baby, and the road is a line. Traveling cogbills waiting in line, truck and the trailer rolling in time. Hands on the wheel, heart on the map. We said our goodbyes and we ain't looking back. Haines to Skagway, Haines to Skagway, blue water, wide awake. Haines to Skagway, Haines to Skagway. Come on, let the ferry take truck and the trailer, boat deck sway. Haines to Skagway, on our way. The windows full of mountain, cold on the glass, coffee in a paper cup, watching the shoreline pass. Boots in the cab, dust on the floor. We were made for moving, that's what this is for. Traveling cogbills waiting in line, truck and the trailer ready to climb. Lights on the dock, wind in our hair. Haines behind us, we don't need it there. Haines to Skagway, Haines to Skagway, blue water, wide awake. Haines to Skagway, Haines to Skagway. Come on, let the ferry take truck and the trailer, boat deck sway. Haines Skagway on our way. One town fades, next town shows, salt on the rails and the north wind blows. We wave to the bay, we let it go. Skagway up ahead and the miles all know. Haines to Skagway, Haines to Skagway. Blue water, wide awake. Haines to Skagway.
Now we've made our way to Skagway, and it welcomed us with its beautifully preserved downtown, where gold rush-era buildings, charming shops, and historic saloons made us feel like we were stepping back in time. Every street seemed to tell a story. There are several key attractions, including the scenic White Pass and Yukon Route Railroad, a 2 to 3 hour train ride through breathtaking landscapes. The town really comes alive when the cruise ships arrive, filling the streets with energy. There are so many things to see and do here. And before long, we'll be getting back on the road to our next adventure.
I saw the Yukon line, cut a silver through the pine, cog bills at the corner store, saying, boy, it's your turn this time. Pack it up, don't wait, the maps won't keep you safe. The hills are calling my name, and the engine shakes the frame.